I think it's special for every driver to be involved with a product starting from zero, let's say.
After such a long time of development, it's so exciting to see the baby on track. After the car fully was developed in CFD, now is the moment of truth. We are checking here front downforce, rear downforce, drag and efficiency. The real values perfectly meet our expectations.
We had a very fluent two-day run. I think the people from Audi did a great job.
It is very interesting to explore how the car is behaving and to test how it reacts to different setup changes, to explore also the potential of the car under different conditions. We have a bit more difficult weather, raining, cold, fog, and so we'll be able to test the car under every condition.
We went to a big plan, big walk during these 3 days. A lot of mileage for me as well, which is nice with this new car.
I think straight away out of the box in dry conditions the car felt really good. The shifting is amazing. This is another huge improvement, and technically everything went well. In the rain the car felt really great. At some point we were even quicker than the GT3 cars.
We have a good weapon also to fight for the title this year, so very proud to be an Audi driver.